Hey guys, winter is around the corner and so I have started my preparations. So today I'll be sharing one of my winter's must-have recipe with you all. Hey friends, I welcome you all to my channel. If you are new to my channel and watching it for the first time, then don't forget to subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything. So guys, today I am making lip balm, which is very easy to make, and I am making it with the ingredients easily available at home. Required ingredients are vaseline, then cocoa powder and honey. And friends, trust me, your kids will also love this lip balm. They are going to enjoy it. It's a guarantee. Honey is completely optional in this recipe. You can skip it totally. It depends on your choice. So friends, now let's check how to make it. You need a double boiler to melt vaseline. So I am taking boiling water in a bowl and I'll be taking 1 tablespoon of petroleum jelly and I'll be melting it in that bowl. So friends, just keep on stirring it and it will melt in some time. In winters, the major problem I face is chapped lips and they start to become darker too. I will suggest you guys not to skip honey because honey is the best ingredient for your lips. I guess this is melted completely. Now let's add the rest of the 2 ingredients, which are half tablespoon of cocoa powder and half tablespoon of honey, and mix it well. So guys, I was talking about honey. Honey keeps your lips moist all the time, and if you use this lip balm regularly, then you will notice the difference that your lips darkening has been reduced. It reduces the darkening of your lips. So please try not to skip honey. So friends, I think it's mixed completely. I'll just stir it for some more time and then I will store it in a container in which I'm going to store. So let's just take it out from the hot water bowl and just pour it in the box, whatever box you're going to store. I have this cute little saffron dabba with me, so I'll be storing my lip balm in it. Once you are done pouring your mixture, then close the lid properly and keep it in the fridge, not in freezer. Keep it in the fridge to set for 1 hour. So friends, my lip balm is ready. It's all set. I'll just show you the color and gloss it has. So that's all for today, friends. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, leave a like, and please subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.